Everyone talks about ChatGPT, but very few actually make money with it. In this video, I'll show you step by step how people are using ChatGPT to make $100 a day, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's get into it. First, decide what you'll offer. ChatGPT can write, translate, brainstorm, and even code. But the fastest way to start is content writing, blog posts, product descriptions, or ad scripts. Go to Fiverr or Upwork, search AI writer, and you'll see people making $50 to $200 per project, using ChatGPT to do 90% of the work. Once you have a client or a topic, open ChatGPT and use clear prompts. For example, write a 600-word SEO article about healthy meal prep for beginners. The key is to refine the output. Tell ChatGPT to rewrite it in a more human tone or to add headlines and keywords. The better your prompts, the better your results. Now, don't just copy-paste. Always edit the text a bit. Fix structure, grammar, and make it sound natural. You can use Grammarly or Quillbot to make it smoother, then deliver it to your client. Fast delivery and good communication are what bring repeat customers, and that's where the daily $100 starts stacking up. When you get your first few clients, it's time to scale. Offer bundles, for example, 3 articles for $120, or start selling pre-written content on marketplaces. Some people even automate the process with ChatGPT and Notion templates, creating small content businesses with minimal effort. So here's the full system. Pick a service, writing, ads, etc. Use ChatGPT to create content. Polish it with Grammarly, deliver fast and scale. This is exactly how people are making $100 a day right now using ChatGPT. If you want me to show how to automate this entire process using AI tools, hit that subscribe button. It's coming next.